Hello everyone, welcome back. So last class we have installed successfully all the softwares. I guess you have done with the setup. So now today we're gonna start with a software. To create a first application. Okay, so to create a first application, so where do we create? So first you have to create something called a workspace. So on my desktop, I create. So generally I used to create on desktop, but you never create on desktop. Okay, this is your complete source code, right? So you can keep in some D drive or E drive, any safest location you can do this process. Okay, so just for visibility for everyone, I'll be using on my desktop. Okay, so on my desktop I create a folder called angular hyphen 12 hyphen youtube. Okay, just to understand that it's a youtube workspace. Okay, so in this folder Angular. So we'll be learning multiple modules. So this continuation series is on a core module. Okay. So in this location, I have to create in this folder. I have to create um, the project. So how you create a project is see here first application. So we have already done with the installation of Angular CLI. So to create a project, ng new your application name. So if your application name contains multiple words, you must give them hyphen and don't give underscore or space. If you give space, it'll become like two applications. So make sure you give some hyphens over there. So this is the command for creating a new project, and then you have to jump into the project, and then this is the command to start the Angular application server, and this is the URL. So it runs on by default. Angular runs on the port number 4200. Okay, so let's start. Back here I have to create a first application here. So how to create is simple. You need to open a command line, command prompt, and go to this location. So I just copy the address. I open a fetch command prompt. In this just say cd change directory and paste enter. So I am in C drive, so I can directly go to the any location in the C drive. For example, you're in D drive, so you must go like this D colon enter. So it's go to D drive, and then you say what are the folder you want. If you want something like H drive, H colon like that. So I'm in C drive, just say C colon enter. Okay. So CLS is for clear the existing commands. Okay. So now your exact location which you created a folder. So here you have to create a project. So how to create a project is command ng the Angular CLI you install ng space new as a new Angular project space what is your project name. So my project name first hyphen app. Okay, so ng new first app. Okay, and then just click on enter. Okay, so would you like to add Angular routing? So it's asking for will you configure Angular routing in your first application? Anyway, we are not discussing Angular routing now, but still just say why. It will make some Angular routing configuration. We'll see the routing after few classes. Now just say why. Okay, enter. And then it asks for you're looking for CSS, SAS, less or SCSS. So what is that style sheet format you're looking for? You may select CSS or SCSS, whatever. So I'll just select easy for everyone is CSS. So I just select CSS. And after that, see, there are multiple files got generated. Okay, and it's still installing a lot of packages. So you need to wait for few minutes, depend on your internet speed. So it will download almost 200 MB of source code. Okay, so just let wait for this to finish.